In this video, we're going to talk about how to start a successful YouTube channel. We're going to talk about the 5 main things that you need to think about when setting up your YouTube channel for success. This is not only going to help you reach the right audience, but it's also going to allow the YouTube algorithm to understand exactly what your channel is about to help you grow even faster. So let's get into the video. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you are brand new to the channel, we're all about building your brand, business, and impact online through social media marketing. So maybe you want to quit that 9-to-5 job, start a side hustle, and turn in your passion into a career, then consider subscribing and join the #1 channel to learn just how you can do that. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel, helps the video get out there so we can reach more and more people and help them change their lives. Now, before I do jump into these 5 tips, I have a question for the day for you. And my question is, how many of you have started a YouTube channel? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section down below. So the very first step to starting a YouTube channel may sound like an obvious one, but you need to find a topic that you want to create your channel about. Another word for this would be your niche. You need to think about not only the topic that you want to talk about, but also the audience you're trying to reach. One thing that's so easy to forget when creating a YouTube channel is thinking about me. What we need to understand is our YouTube channel is for our audience. Our YouTube channel has to have a purpose and needs to have value for our audience. In order for someone to gain value from our video and to want to subscribe to learn more, you need to be adding value in every single video, which gives someone a reason to watch your video. And this can be one of the challenging things about having a successful YouTube channel, is so many people are hit and miss with their videos. They create a topic that they know other people have done well, but they're adding no extra value to it or even any value at all to their videos for people to discover their video. So without a topic, the YouTube algorithm isn't going to understand who to show your video to. And that's the main reason small channels stay small, is because their videos are all over the place and they haven't thought of a topic that they want to target so that they know who their audience is. And once you know who your audience is, you're able to make sure that you're adding value and that your audience is getting something from each and every one of your videos. So you really do need to sit down and decide exactly what you're passionate about, what you can add value to, and something you feel you can add your spin to, your personality to, and your value to in order to make your YouTube channel something different, something unique, and something that people will enjoy. Now, when you're just starting out on YouTube, I know this is a daunting task, and this is something that can take a lot of time and effort. So I highly recommend, while you're sitting down trying to decide your topic, your niche for your YouTube channel, start making videos. The worst thing you can do is giving yourself all these reasons why you can't start creating videos today. I don't know what my videos are about. I don't have the right equipment. People might judge my videos. Whatever it might be, the best thing that you can do is start creating videos and start learning. The sooner you start, the sooner you can improve, and the sooner you have a greater chance of being seen on YouTube and growing a successful YouTube channel. Now, there's a general rule of thumb with having a successful YouTube channel. They say you want to create at least 30 videos to really get an understanding of how to create videos and learning your style of how you storytell, of how you edit your videos, and just learning the general ropes of having a YouTube channel. So I recommend starting off and aiming for 30 videos. So just think of something that you enjoy, that you're passionate about, and create 30 videos based on that topic. At least this way you can say, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to create 30 videos and just see where it goes and see if I'm still passionate about this topic and whether YouTube is for me. So make sure if you're going to start a YouTube channel, have that in your head that I must create at least 30 videos before giving up. Now, this doesn't mean create 30 videos in a week, upload them, and then be disappointed because you still didn't get any results. I'm not saying that creating 30 videos is going to give you great results. The reason I'm saying create 30 videos is this is a great way for you to get started, for you to learn the ropes of creating a YouTube channel, learning how to create videos, create topics, learning how to do your metadata, using tags, creating great thumbnails, and of course, creating great videos. If you've managed to create 30 high quality videos and you're still enjoying creating videos, then I believe YouTube is for you. So 30 videos is a great milestone to get started. Don't think about how many views, don't think about how many subscribers you want to get with those 30 videos. Just think about, I want to create 30 videos to see whether YouTube is for me. So this brings us on to tip number 2, which is learning how to film videos. The best way I can recommend this is just practice filming yourself doing daily tasks. So whether it's cooking, whether it's playing a game, whatever it might be, maybe it's even just going for a walk and vlogging your life. These are all great ways that you can film yourself while you're just doing your medial tasks, so you can just learn to speak in front of a camera. There's so many things that you need to learn with creating high quality videos. Even just your camera presence. There's so many things that we don't really think about. For example, when you speak into a camera, you actually have to put more emphasis and almost be over the top in a way to really get the same emotion you would get when speaking to someone face to face. The next thing is actually talking to the lens. If you have a flip out screen or if it's a phone or whatever it might be, it's really hard to look at the lens and make sure that you're looking at your audience. If you're looking all over the place and there's really no eye contact with your audience, that can really have a negative effect on your video, and it does come across as really unprofessional. Then there's all the other things like umming and ahhing, and your videos having no structure or storytelling, no real purpose to the video. All of these things come with practice. But the best thing that you can do, and this is why this is tip number 2, is learning how to speak in front of a camera. This takes time. This isn't just something that you're going to be good at. Any YouTube channel that you ever see that just starts a YouTube channel and is amazing off the bat, you can guarantee that they've already had experience in front of a camera in some form or another. You'll actually be amazed of the backstory of a lot of YouTube channels that actually have so much background speaking in front of a camera. So when you actually see a new YouTube channel that takes off, you don't realize how much experience that YouTuber actually has. So never compare yourself to someone else. Always just think about improving your video presence. So start a video, really watch it honestly and see where you're going wrong. Are you looking all over the place? Do you come across as really unemotional, uninteresting, whatever it might be? You really need to be honest with yourself and see where you can improve. The more videos you film, the better you're going to get. And that's once again why you need to create at least 30 videos, even if they aren't very good. 30 videos to really see, is this something you can put the work into? Is this something you're passionate about? And are you willing to put in the work to have a successful YouTube channel? Tip number 3 is equipment. Now you've probably heard this many times before, but it's definitely something that is worth mentioning. Use the equipment you have. You don't want to go ahead and go, I want to be a YouTuber and I need all of the best equipment to have a successful YouTube channel. Having equipment does matter. Yes, having good audio matters. Having good quality video matters. But at the end of the day, all of the equipment only gets you so far. If your videos are poor in quality, and what I mean by that is there's no value. The structure is terrible. They're not interesting. You're not giving a person a reason to want to watch your video. If none of that is in your video, then the quality isn't going to matter. You can have the best title in the world, the best thumbnail, the best, absolutely best quality in the world, 4K video, HD quality with a super high quality microphone. You can have $100,000 filmography type camera. But if you don't know what you're doing with the equipment, then it's really not going to add any value to the videos you put out on YouTube. So it's really important to remember that if you truly are passionate about having a YouTube channel, just use what you have. Nearly everybody has a phone with a camera, and that is the best thing to get started on YouTube. So whatever phone you might have, I mean, this is probably not the best example, but this is absolutely all you need to get started on YouTube. The built-in microphone, everything that you need is all built in to your phone, and you can get started and start creating your first videos with the equipment you have. When it comes to lighting, you can use the natural lighting outside. You do not need to go and buy studio lighting. In fact, if you can actually film outdoors, it's going to give you the best quality that you could possibly get. In terms of audio, if you're getting echo and things like that, you can actually use blankets and towels to really stop the echoing from happening. Just use what you have. If you're putting in the effort behind the scenes in terms of your thumbnail, your title, your metadata, the actual value that you're giving it to your audience, and really thinking about who is going to be watching this video. What are they going to gain from this video, and why should they watch my video over other YouTubers that are already established on the platform? If you can answer to those questions and you can say, I know who my audience is, I know what they're going to gain from this, and I'm giving them a reason why they should watch the majority of this video because it's highly valuable and it's giving them points and reasons why they should keep watching the video and why it's going to entertain them along the way. If you can do that, you're guaranteed to have a successful YouTube channel, and as your YouTube channel grows, then you're in the position to be able to afford better equipment. equipment. Then go ahead and buy a fancy DSLR camera, get a better microphone, get some studio lighting, whatever you need. Then you really have to go ahead and spend money on your YouTube channel. But don't fall into the trap of, oh, I can't start right now, I don't have the right equipment. It really is just an excuse. And if you truly are passionate about creating videos, don't let the equipment stop you from sharing your passion and adding your value to the YouTube platform. Tip number 4 is really making sure that you're actually setting up your YouTube channel for success. And what I mean by this is actually making sure that you're creating your YouTube channel correctly. Make sure that you're getting it verified. Make sure you have a YouTube banner. Make sure you have a YouTube profile. Make sure you've set up all the default settings. Make sure you got an about section that's set up. Make sure that your actual YouTube channel is set up for success. It's set up in a way that if somebody does get brought to your YouTube channel, it's set up in a way that's going to make them watch more and more of your videos. So this means making sure you've got playlists, making sure all your sections are set out, including your tags and your about section, so people know exactly what they're going to get from your channel and why they should watch more of your videos. It's one thing to get someone to watch one of your videos, but if you make sure that you set up your videos in a way that if someone comes to your YouTube channel, they're going to watch more and more of your videos because you've set up your YouTube channel for success. Now, I did just create a video on how to set up your YouTube channel from start to finish. I'll put it in the info cards. Go ahead and check that out, and that shows you all of the things that you need to make sure that you have done as soon as you set up your YouTube channel so that it is set up and ready for success. And tip number 5, and is the most important tip out of them all, is make sure you're creating a YouTube channel for the right reasons. Like I said from the start, you don't want to create a YouTube channel and create videos for me. Really think about why you're creating a YouTube channel, and is this something you're truly passionate about and that you're willing to put in all the effort to get there? Because at the end of the day, it's you that's getting in the way of you having a successful YouTube channel or you giving up and getting frustrated. You are your biggest enemy. You are your biggest roadblock. So make sure that you're not looking at all the excuses like the YouTube algorithm hates me, YouTube isn't recommending my videos. If you truly understand and you put the effort in and you learn everything that you need to know in order to grow a YouTube channel, then it is possible. How can I say this? Because so many people have had successful YouTube channels by following the rules correctly, making sure that they're creating videos for people to enjoy, for people to get value from, and to really create videos that are highly valuable for people to watch weeks, months, and years to come. If you can find value in your content, find the right audience for that valuable content, then you're going to have a successful YouTube channel. But if you're just starting YouTube thinking, hey, people are making a lot of money from YouTube, maybe I should get in on this and start earning some cheddar. If that is your reason for starting a YouTube channel and you're not really passionate about creating videos, doing all the behind the scenes, the editing, and all of these kinds of things, you may find that YouTube isn't for you. So make sure you actually are passionate about the topic that you're wanting to create. Make sure that you realize that YouTube is a marathon and not a sprint. Realize that it's going to take you probably 2 years to actually have a successful YouTube channel. It's going to take you 2 years to actually get the results that you're hoping for. Don't just think that because other YouTubers have blown up within 6 months, it doesn't mean that your channel won't be successful if it hasn't blown up within 6 months. It just means that do not compare yourself to others. The only person you're competing against is yourself. So don't let yourself be the reason that you quit your YouTube career. Make sure you're starting for the right reasons. Get out of your way. Set goals that you know that you can reach. Make sure that they're achievable. Make sure that they're always goals that are pushing you to do better. And as long as you're improving, as long as you're making your videos better, you're making them more and more valuable. You're making them more and more entertaining. You're putting in the work to have better overlays, better B-roll, and giving someone a reason to watch your channel and to watch your videos over someone else's, then you're going to do well on YouTube. So guys, that was my 5 tips on how to start a successful YouTube channel from scratch. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more on how to have a successful YouTube channel, definitely go ahead and check out these other videos. I know you'll love those too, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.